Hi guys, it's been really long that I haven't sat and did my full face of makeup. So today I'm gonna do my full face of makeup. Pretty simple and chill. It's gonna be a long video, so I would suggest grab something nice to eat or drink and enjoy the video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Today I'm gonna try use new products which has been recently launched and is all over my feed. Mostly it would be lip products. So let's begin. A lot of hairs in my upper lips. So first, let's trim that. I've been using this Bronca mini razor from quite some time now. I think it's more than 6 months, and it's safe to say that it does its job pretty good. It's very hassle-free. You see a small light here, which actually helps you see all those tiny hairs, and it's very easy to use. You just have to rotate in circular motion, and it actually takes care of every single thing. For upper lip and chin, this could be one of your best investment. So I'm somebody who is very scared of upper lips because it's very painful, and also it takes a lot of time. You will have to go to the salon every 15-20 days to get it off. So this comes really handy. It's very easy to travel with. I generally take this everywhere and anywhere, and whenever I feel there's something coming up, I'll just take it out and remove it. So I have to go out to the mall to get something, so I'm just doing a very little daily makeup sort of thing, so that something you can wear every single time, every single day. Also, I don't know, the light is pretty bad today, so bear with me. Now that I'm doing talking videos, this makes me realize that I'm very bad at talking and filming at the same time. Especially when I'm doing some makeup, I generally lose track on what to do next. I'll try to do a few more videos like this so that I get used to it. For my base, I'm gonna Maybelline Fit Me sunscreen cum tint. So this has SPF 50 and it is enriched with vitamin C. This is a very good tint when you want a skincare based makeup. So the only thing with this one is I feel you have to blend it with your fingers to get the best out of it. Otherwise it might be a little patchy. So what I like to do is I will spread it off with my fingers, and then maybe if I want, I might go with a brush or a beauty blender. This gives you a very sheer coverage, so if you're expecting coverage out of it, this might not be a product for you. Also, for people who are deeply pigmented and want to hide their scars, I would suggest that you will have to use a concealer before using this. I've applied a very thin layer of this tint, so if you see, my acne and my dark spots and pigmentation is still visible, which is what I want on a day-to-day basis. I do not want a lot of coverage. Now on top of this, if I feel that something is not blended, I'm going to take a brush and just, I think in place of a brush you could definitely use a beauty blender. That would be better, but right now I don't have it, so brush it is. Next step, I'm gonna take a little bit of this lip tint, which is from ELF. I'm gonna take it at the back of my hand, and since it is creamy, it is very creamy, I'm gonna just take it in the brush, dab it, and then apply it on my cheeks to give a little bit of flush. I don't want very rosy cheeks, I just want a little bit of pinkiness, which is what you see it here. Also, these kind of cream product wouldn't stay for a very long time, so if you want to wear this makeup for a very long day, this is not the makeup you should do. You should definitely top it up with a powder blush. So this is something for a regular day when you don't want a lot of makeup. Mostly the blending technique, you guys. How much time you're gonna take to blend your makeup and how much time you're gonna give it to set in your face is what basically makes your skin look more dewy, more natural and more glowy. I think this is it for the blush. Bit of eyeshadow, very little. This shade, I've almost hit the pan on this shade. This is the lightest of all shade, and I just put it all over my crease, and that's it. Most of the time when I do these kind of makeup on my friend's face, they will be like, "Kuch pata hi nahi chal raha hai." But honestly, this is the kind of makeup I like to do every single time, unless I'm going to a party or a wedding function. I'm gonna finish my look with mascara. This is one of the most affordable mascara of all time. This is from Swiss Beauty. It retails under 250 rupees, and I've been using it constantly. If you go to my page, you'll see me using just this mascara. And it is non-waterproof. For my mascara, I always want a non-waterproof mascara. Why? Because it comes off really easily, and I don't want to mess with my lashes. मेरे lashes हैं ही नहीं. Now coming to my most favorite part of the video, which is the lips from NYX. And today I actually want to show you the latest launch from NYX. And I have two shades. Talk about the packaging first. The packaging is very pretty. An aqua color applicator, very good. It smells like coconut to me for some reason. I mean, every time I apply it, I feel like I am drinking coconut coffee. It doesn't smell coffee, but something similar to it's a pretty nice applicator, very cushiony. I think these are made in South Korea, and it has a very beautiful color payoff. You have to apply it and leave it for like 5 minutes and then dab it off. For the other shade, I still want to show you how does this look. This is a very pretty pink shade. This looks maroon at the moment, but once it dries down and you remove it, it leaves a pinky tone. If you ask me which one should you get, I will say definitely this one. You apply it, remove a tiny tint which would be left behind, and that would stay almost 6 hours. So yeah, lip ivies, I think you should definitely give it a try. I really loved them. The moment I saw them, I loved them. It's very hydrating, it's very juicy, and it immediately hydrates your lip. So you don't even need a lip oil or a Vaseline before it. You can just apply it and forget it. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna make more videos like this, especially the talking ones, and it feels good. See you in the next one. Bye bye.